31st of October 2024, two celebrations coincide like never before. One of darkness and frights, one of light and delights. How does one celebrate without needing to debate? Fret not and calm down, there's no need to worry. Why not celebrate both with some pumpkin curry? Cut onions and tomatoes, put them in the blender. Add garlic, chili and ginger, then blend them together. Heat oil, stir with bay leaves, star anise and cinnamon. Add onions, some salt, saute till they brown and soften. Add cumin powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder and stir. Add in the blended paste, be careful not to waste. Then bring it all to a boil till separated are the paste and oil. Add pumpkin cubes and stir slowly till they are all coated with gravy. For 20 minutes it should be simmering. Remember to stir to prevent it from burning. Cook till it's dry and liquid no longer. Stir with some salt and garam masala powder. Add in some yogurt, then stir in low heat. Add in some water until you boil it. And now that you're done, share it all with someone. No tricks, just treats, cause we love you to bits. Fun it has been, and we wish you sincerely Happy Halloween and Happy Deepavali.